Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to restore archived Instagram posts. If you're using Instagram and you have archived your posts and then you want to recover or restore, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right. Now tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and from here you have to simply select archive option, and here you'll get all of your archived posts, or you just have to tap on this option here and select post archive, then select your post, and here just tap on this option and the post will be reloaded. Now tap on three dots here and then select unarchive option. If you can't see archives, here the option of show on profile, so you must have to tap on show on profile option, then tap on show on profile here. So once you have done, your profile or your post will be unarchived. It will be moved on your profile page. So in this way, you can easily restore your archived Instagram posts. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.